Tesla Model S Plaid delivers on originally promised 200 mile per hour top speed with new brakes. Which road were they on? They were on a closed track, don't worry. Tesla first announced the Model S Plaid, its top performance flagship vehicle. The automaker promised a top speed of 200 miles per hour, which is 322 kilometers an hour. However, when it was first delivered last year, the vehicle only featured a top speed of 163 miles per hour, which is 262 kilometers an hour. It was a braking thing, the puny little brakes on there, Will. Mm-hmm. Last year, Tesla released a new track mode for the Model S Plaid that pushed the top speed up to 175 miles per hour, which is 282 kilometers an hour. It appeared that the brakes were the limiting factor. Tesla didn't want to unlock higher top speeds without the electric supercar having bigger brakes. Well, if you put it in track mode, which I've done, it will give you a warning immediately saying, hey, dude, careful with these brakes. These brakes are going to get hot right now, is what it basically warns you. So I didn't have tons of confidence in those brakes from that moment. And also just driving the car around fast without, like in colder weather, when you don't have as much regen contribution, you're just like, whoa.
Yeah.
I'm a little off the rails here. So, and having the reference point of the Taycan, which has huge ceramic brakes on it, that thing stops on a dime, with or without regen. Anyway, Tesla is likely about to install its own brake upgrade. As Sebastian Vettel, a race car driver that has often collaborated with Tesla, released a video in partnership with Tesla Belgium, where he was loaned a Model S Plaid with a ceramic brake upgrade to do a test lap. Ceramic brake upgrade. Oh my God, that's so tantalizing.
You should upgrade it.
That's what's missing, man. That is what's missing on this car.
But it's always out of stock.
Well, I don't even know if it was ever in stock. I think it was just sitting there as a placeholder. I'm not sure. Maybe at one point in time it was. But the fact that the software was limiting things led me to believe that it just wasn't rolling out anytime soon, that we were sitting and waiting, and they weren't promoting it. But now if you have this guy using the carbon ceramics and posting the video to an official Tesla Belgium account, that's sounding pretty good. Vettel commented on his experience with the car, and let me tell you, guy, this is a completely different animal compared to the stock car. He confirmed the vehicle didn't have a speed limiter, and he achieved 350 kilometers an hour on several occasions, breaking the previous record. He managed to beat the lap record for a street-legal car to racetrack with the upgraded Model S Plaid. Here's more words from him directly. Second, I had the chance to bring the car for one full day on Circuit de Bresse in France for a real condition test. It is a technical small track, which is normally great for small cars. True nightmare for heavy cars and the brakes. Well, after a couple of laps, I just did the track record for a street legal car on a non-semi-slick tires. A Michelin PS4S original dimension tires. And the original Tesla wheels. He did 1 minute and 33.6. It's an absolutely insane time for this kind of big car.
Yeah, there's a lot of exclamation marks.
He's excited. He's excited, but you needed those brakes, Will.
Are you going to get them? Or are you going to go to the track anytime soon?
Without them? I'm telling you, I got
the Porsche, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, when I put it in track mode, I got terrified by that warning message. Your brakes are going to melt. I was like, well, what the hell's the point of that then?
Yeah.
It's like, take it easy, your brakes are going to melt. But yeah, I guess that would be a cool A/B test. Like,
for sure.
Do a spin with the stock brakes and then swap them out and check the difference. That'd be cool.
Big endeavor, but
way bigger than we're actually going to do. We need Vettel to do that.
Yeah.
But it seems his feedback is like, go to their site. Let's see if it's available right now. Go to Tesla's site. See if you can get the carbon ceramics right now. They're $15,000. The brakes. Yikes. $20,000. I think they use. I feel like they use. No, I feel like they used to be. You're on the U.S. right now, I think.
Is this U.S.? Oh, yeah, you're right.
I think it went up. And now it says available early 2023. Look at those beauties. Yeah, it's a crazy price, honestly, but It's a fast car.
Uh huh.
Fast car, big brakes.